Hey everyone! In today's video, we're going to dive into a comparison between two powerful AI coding assistants, Claude Code and GitHub Copilot Agent. Both of these tools are reshaping the way developers think about, write, and debug code. Let's explore how they differ and which one might be the best fit for your coding workflow. First, let's start with Claude Code, developed by Anthropic. Claude Code is designed with a focus on reasoning, safety, and contextual understanding. When you first interact with Claude, what stands out is how conversational it feels. It's less like issuing commands to an AI and more like collaborating with a teammate. You can describe what you're trying to build, even in plain language, and Claude will help you plan, scaffold, and write the code step by step. What makes Claude Code so unique is its ability to follow reasoning-heavy instructions. Built on Claude 3, it excels at understanding complex instructions, maintaining context over long coding sessions, and explaining why it's doing something instead of just executing blindly. This makes it feel more like a code partner than a simple code generator, offering thoughtful collaboration. On the other hand, GitHub Copilot Agent extends the capabilities of the original GitHub Copilot. It's not just suggesting code snippets anymore. Copilot Agent is capable of running commands, fixing issues, searching documentation, and even setting up dependencies directly within your development environment. Since it's fully integrated with Visual Studio Code and the broader GitHub ecosystem, Copilot can pull context directly from your repositories, issues, and even your terminal history. This level of integration gives GitHub Copilot Agent a clear advantage when it comes to workflow automation. It's not just about suggesting code, it's about automating actions. You can literally tell it to set up a Flask API, and it will scaffold the project, install dependencies, and explain what it's doing step by step. For developers who want a hands-on, action-driven experience, Copilot Agent is incredibly efficient. Where Claude Code really shines is in handling complex reasoning and working with large projects. It can read through multiple files, summarize them, and intelligently refactor code. This makes it a powerful tool for developers working on complex logic or debugging intricate code bases. However, it still requires more interaction, like copy-pasting code, and is more of a chat-based experience. In contrast, GitHub Copilot Agent offers a more hands-on approach. With Copilot Agent, you can quickly set up projects, run commands, and get immediate results. The integration into your IDE makes it feel like a seamless part of your development environment. And the action-driven design means you can code faster, especially if speed is your priority over conversation. So, which one should you choose? It really depends on your development needs. If you prefer a thoughtful collaborator, someone who guides you through complex reasoning and explains each step, then Claude Code is a great option. It's perfect for developers working on large-scale projects or dealing with intricate logic. On the other hand, if you're someone who values hands-on automation and efficiency, especially within your IDE, then GitHub Copilot Agent might be the better choice. It's great for developers who need quick results and want to automate parts of their workflow. At the end of the day, both Claude Code and GitHub Copilot Agent are incredibly powerful, each catering to different types of developers. Whether you prefer collaboration or automation, these tools are changing the way we approach coding. Let me know which one you think is better for your workflow in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and comparisons.